Hello everyone. Welcome back to MHT Makeup and Health Tips. With spring around the corner, it's the perfect time to shake off the winter blues and give your body a much-needed reset. In today's video, we'll explore some natural ways to detox your body, helping you feel rejuvenated and ready for the new season. But before we dive in, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming wellness content. Let's jump into it. Detox your body with natural method. One of the most effective ways to detox your body is through natural methods. Focus on eating whole, plant-based foods, drinking plenty of water, and avoiding processed and sugary foods. Adding herbs and spices like ginger, turmeric, and cinnamon to your diet can also help flush toxins from your system. You can make effective and refreshing detox drinks right in your kitchen using simple and natural ingredients. These drinks not only help cleanse your body but also provide essential nutrients for overall health. Ginger, turmeric and honey detox tea. For this tea, you will need 1-inch piece of fresh ginger root, 1 cinnamon stick, 1/3 teaspoon ground turmeric, a half fresh lemon, juiced, 2 cups water. Peel and grind fresh ginger root. In a large pot or saucepan, bring the ground ginger and water to a boil over high heat. Reduce the heat and simmer for about 10 minutes. Add the cinnamon sticks and turmeric and cook, stirring frequently, for 10 minutes. Remove the tea from the heat, set it aside to cool, and strain it. Add fresh lemon juice to the tea before serving. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties support liver health and promote detoxification, while both cinnamon and ginger are packed with antioxidants and minerals. Good for fighting seasonal allergies, colds, congestion, sore throats, and indigestion. They're also great for the heart and weight loss. Mint and green tea detox. Combine green tea with fresh mint leaves, lemon juice, and a touch of raw honey for a refreshing and invigorating detox drink. Peppermint tea can relieve an upset stomach. In some cases, it has been seen to relieve symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Herbal detox infusion. Make a detoxifying mixture of herbs such as dandelion root, nettle, and chamomile. Add herbs to hot water for a cooling and cleansing herbal infusion. Herbs support liver function. These homemade detox drinks are not only delicious but also offer numerous health benefits. Include them in your daily routine to support your body's natural detoxification process. So there you have it, some easy and natural ways to cleanse your body. Remember, it's all about making sustainable changes that work for you. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might need a little spring detox inspiration. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthy, clean you this spring. Until next time, take care.